Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. This is an update about rooting your cuttings. Sorry about the noise, but you know I'm outside and everyone else is too, cutting grass and trimming trees. At any rate, rooting hormone versus rooting with cinnamon or honey or something else like that. I received some cuttings from Juicing with Jay, and about a month ago I rooted them with cinnamon. So I'm going to take you guys on over and see what we have.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay, so this is the box that they have been in ever since. I have not opened it. I have not watered. I have not looked at it. It's been sitting on my floor in my sunroom. I didn't even have it near any sun. I did anything to this. I just put the rooting hormone in there. I'm going to link that video at the end of this video so you can see exactly what I did. And I think I dated that video, and I believe it was December the 4th. If I remember correctly. But at any rate, I'll link that video in there. This is the first time I've opened it. I woke up on Christmas morning and this is what I saw inside this plastic, and I decided to take a look. So, as you can see, so far, only one of them has actually started growing. These back here are 3 bell cuttings, and these up here are 3 pomegranate cuttings. This is the only one so far that I rooted or has actually started. Let's see if we can see. I don't see any roots in there. Peekaboo cup, don't see any roots in there. If you can see, there's still some water down in here. That's from when I watered them the first time. I haven't touched these things, haven't opened them or anything, but as you can see, the cinnamon does work. Now, is it quick? I don't think so, but I'm not in a hurry. It's not like I'm gonna get fruit tomorrow. So why not? I'm kind of skeptical of some of the rooting hormone or whatever's out there. I don't know what's in it. And so I can take a cinnamon stick and grind it up and use cinnamon. I know cinnamon. Now the rest of these, I'm looking at them, and so far I don't see any life on them, but I'm going to keep them in here and we're going to see if they root further over time. I don't see anything starting on any of them except for this one. And I'm happy about that one, because I do believe if I just leave these alone and leave these in here, these will turn out like this one. And I'm not going to do anything but this one, sitting it up just a little bit. I'm going to leave it, continue to leave it in here too for a few more minutes here, or a little bit longer. So it works. I set them in the box so that I could have something stable to sit them in on my floor. I close this up, poke some holes in it so it can get a little air, and that's it. You don't need, like I always say, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. You also don't need the acres of land. It's wonderful to have the acres of land because you can have a homestead and you can grow and you can have animals and everything. But if you got a small space, a deck, a patio, a corner, you can do it. This is proof. You can do it. You don't need expensive things. I got these cups. I saved my cups. I've heard people say they didn't have any more cups left. These cups, when these cups are done, these cups will get washed. Wash to reuse. There's nothing wrong with them. The peekaboo ones, both of them, these will both get washed and reused. So I reuse stuff. Oh, matter of fact, this is the box that something else was sent to me in, and this plastic, only God knows where it came from. So I just wanted you all to see this. Didn't want to keep you long. We are going to tie her back up, and I'm going to take her back inside, and I'm going to put her back on the floor. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for today. I don't know if I said this before, but if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, make sure it's set to all so you'll always get my videos every time I upload one. And I will see you all next time. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.